Byron Messia is a prominent Jamaican-Kittitian dancehall singer and songwriter. He is best known for blending traditional dancehall elements with modernized soul and heavy pop appeal. He achieved massive international breakthrough success with his 2023 hit single Talibans. Growing up in St. Kitts and Nevis, he credited his high school friend who frequently played music by artists like Messia with sparking his desire to pursue a career in dancehall. He began writing and recording his own music at the age of 15, treating the process as a way to vent and express his emotions. Since his breakthrough, Byron has been a highly sought after collaborator, appearing on Chris Brown's track Nightmares and collaborating with artists like Lil Baby and Arvisan on the track Chopa. He has continued to release singles, maintaining a heavy presence in the modern dancehall scene. Messia showed an early passion for music. As a baby, he reportedly sang while holding a baby bottle. In school, he freestyled for classmates and he began seriously recording around age 15 during his teenage years. He drew inspiration from dancehall artists like Messia as well as melodic rappers and Afrobeats influences. His sound blends dancehall with touches of modernized soul, giving it a smooth pop-leaning appeal. He was born in Jamaica, but his family relocated to St. Kitts and Nevis when he was just 2 months old. He was raised there by an adoptive family and has spoken publicly about being grateful for the loving, supporting home they gave him. He was raised in the Shadwell estate of Bestiary, St. Kitts. Heavily inspired by Biggie Smalls, he was introduced to rap at a young age and was already freestyling